Hello and welcome to the channel. Real quick video, how to shoot a photo with a naturally black background, as in you have your subject perfectly lit and your background is black, and I'll be using no Photoshop. So in camera the subject will be lit and the background will be dark. For this demonstration I'll be using the Sony a7 III. There you can see it. Sony a7 III, Tamron 18 to 75mm lens. I have a Godox flash transmitter, the Godox V1S, S for Sony, and my subject, an orchid. Let me show you the orchid real quick. That's it for the gear. Of course, the flash is on a light stand with a flash holder, and the plant itself is also on a light stand with a flash holder. You can ignore the gray 2-in-1 backdrop. It's not needed, and you definitely don't need it for this particular technique. The settings for this photo are 1/200th of a second, f7.1, and ISO 320. The flash, I have set it to TTL plus 0.3 stops. Let me show you what not to do when you want to take a photo of your subject with your background completely black. Right, in this photo you can see that I have my subject lit. My background is still gray, and as a matter of fact you can see the shadows of my subject on my background, which is definitely not what you want. So let me show you what you want since you're watching this video. Yes sir! Now I've taken the photo again and my background is completely black. Subject, well, not really completely black. I can see these leaves on the orchid, but for the most part my background is completely black. And how I achieved this was I moved the flash a lot closer to the subject. Well, of course your subject needs to be away from your background, because no matter how close you put your flash, if your subject is right up to your background, you will see the background. So give yourself some space and put your flash close to your subject and take the photo. Of course you would have to compensate for the flash, stop down your aperture a lot and increase your shutter speed to the maximum sync speed, or not. 1/200 is safe. ISO, keep the ISO low. Low ISO will cut out all the ambient light, and that's how you get your black background. You can even get a black background during the day. As you can see, these lights are on. Catch your light, this light, that light over there is on. Light behind me was also on, and I was still able to take the photo with the background being black, subject lit, flash here. Some things to note. I have a grid on the flash which helps to focus the light. You could use a diffuser. I'm using the Godox accessory kit. Everything is going to be in the description. Affiliate links can be in the description for everything. Don't worry about it. You might want to use the grid to focus your light, and also don't be shy using your modeling light. Modeling light can help you see where the light is going to fall, because when you take your photos, sometimes depending on where you place your flash, your subject is going to be in darkness. And if you're feeling special, you can also use a reflector to bounce light into the dark spots on your subject, which is pretty cool. So yeah, really quick video how to take a photo of a subject with your background completely black, all in camera with flash. I'll figure out the proper concise name to name the video, but yeah, that's it. Alright, any questions? Let me know in the comment section down below. And yeah, thanks for watching everyone. Bye.